Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a Shopify website using Lovable AI. Now let's say for example that you got a brilliant business idea but you're not a web designer. You have seen the blank Shopify dashboard and felt that wave of panic. Where do I even start? What if you could build a complete professional sales ready Shopify store just by describing it? Today that's exactly what we're going to do inside of Lovable. We have previously covered Lovable AI in our tutorials, but I'm just going to remind you that this is not just a theme or simple system. It's a full stack AI builder that now integrates directly with Shopify, which is great. Our goal is going to be to create a high-end coffee store. We're going to provide the idea, and Lovable is going to build the entire storefront, and Shopify will power the checkout, payments, and inventory. So as you can see, we are inside lovable.dev, and what I want you to do is I want you to click on this new option that says introducing Lovable X Shopify. Okay, so just clicking here, this is a new option, and I find this amazing that they have included this. Okay, this is gonna allow you to basically create a Shopify store from scratch. Now, I'm gonna basically paste a prompt that I created before just to show you. This is called vibe coding. It's when you just describe the store that you want to build, and the AI is gonna build it for you. You want to be as detailed as possible because this is gonna be the first step that the AI is gonna take, and it's gonna build a structure from here. So as you can see, I'm giving all possible details like high-end, minimalist, Shopify store, of course, this must be included. Although, we're using the plugin, so maybe it doesn't have to be necessarily. And you do the description and the different things that you want to sell and the different pages you want to have. Let's click on now, generate. As you can see, Lovable is now acting as our designer, front-end developer, and Shopify expert all at once, okay? It's not just picking a template, it's generating the React and Tailwind code for our front-end and building the page structures in real time. You can see what it's trying to do. It's processing, each part of the website, like, the different colors, the tags, and all of that. So what has happened here is that actually, Lovable has detected that we want to use Shopify because we want to sell physical products. And, also because we're in the plugin for Shopify. And it's asking us permission to kind of allow the Shopify connection. So I'm just going to click on allow in here. And keep in mind, guys, this is free for the time being, okay? You're only going to have to pay after you go live. This is what it says in here, okay? So do not worry. You're not going to get charged money yet. Now again, it's going to start thinking and it's going to start to build the actual page. Okay, this took about 60 to 90 seconds. This is going to take as about 2-3 minutes, depending on the complexity of the page. As you can see, we have basically like a hero image, like a hero section, and then we have our shop, which is going to be in here. Unfortunately, it didn't create like a demo section for us to review the different products because we didn't specify that, okay? But we can do this, and we can specify to join and to do some more things in here. We also have the Our Story page that I'm going to show you later. And now, what I actually did, guys, was I press Alt plus S on my keyboard, okay? Again, Alt plus S. This is going to give you access to this sort of menu where you can select the different sections and you can actually modify them very quickly, okay? You can, the content, for example, instead of shop coffee, you can say just shop. Let me rewrite again. Let's click on save. You can also like edit the different spacing, edit the different styles between this like page and all that. So yeah. And once again, you can do this by just pressing Alt plus S on your keyboard. This is gonna give you access to the editing mode. Let's say, for example, that I don't like this, header to match. I'm gonna, or this, title even, this paragraph. I'm just gonna say, make it shorter and better. And I'm gonna use this prompt. And as you can see, after thinking for a little bit, this is how we came up with exceptional coffee, masterfully crafted. So yeah, you can kind of edit between the editing mode and the normal mode, which is going to allow you to scroll and to press on buttons by pressing Alt plus S. It has also created the Our Story section, as you can see in here. It looks amazing. So yeah, you can just start editing the background, by pressing it again, or you can also come to the demo section, to the subsection in here, and just ask to create, some demo coffee products, okay? And it's gonna do that for you, and it's gonna include some. If you don't want to press Alt plus S on your keyboard, you can always come to here to the edit button, okay? It's the same basically, and you're gonna be welcome to it. Now, if you want to publish this, it's gonna be very easy. You're just gonna have to go to publish, then click on update, and then click on publish again. and it's gonna ask you to log into your Shopify account. Okay, guys, so you're just gonna have to sign in. And it's gonna ask you also if you want to start like a free trial and all that. This is what I told you, that before you publish it, you don't have to pay anything, but after you publish it, you're gonna have to pay or to start a free trial. So yeah, you can do this. Just click on publish, and if you want to preview your page, you can just click on this button here. This is how it's gonna look. It looks beautiful. Thank you so much, guys.